presentation tool that we're going to be using, and it is called ThingLink. And one of the things I really, really like about ThingLink is that it has two ways that we can use it. We can use it on the iPads, or we can use it with the computers. Today, I'm going to be showing you how we're going to get it set up and begin working on it on the computers. A little bit in the future, maybe later on this week, I'm going to show you the iPad workings of it so that we can kind of use a little bit of both, because we're going to, what I love about ThingLink is that you can put all kinds of things into a ThingLink. You can put photos, you can put videos, you can put like a telegami, or maybe we could do one of our puppets, okay? So, yes, so we're going to work on ThingLink today. I have one that I've already started because I want to kind of model for you what I'm thinking yours might look like. We have started our unit on history and heroes, and I feel like this is one of our greatest units that we have in 3rd grade, and you guys learn so much about so many different heroes that I want you to have a place where you can kind of share all of that information. So when we are finished with this, we are going to be putting it in our backpacks on Edmodo so that you can share it with your families. So this is going to be kind of an area where we're going to be putting all of our new learning about heroes. So let me take a moment and show you a little bit about a hero one that I just kind of got started. Statement here that I made about Wilma Rudolph. Raise your hand if Wilma Rudolph was someone you read about in your differentiated reader. All right, so you might choose to do some information on someone in your differentiated reader. Yesterday, we were talking about kids that are heroes. Remember the boy that we read about that started a foundation for digging wells? Do you remember that? Well, here is a whole website that I linked about kids that are heroes, because I thought, wow, that's really cool to hear about kids that are heroes. So when I have that linked onto my ThingLink, that means I can go to this website and find out more information about kids being heroes. How many of you read about Martin Luther King in your differentiated reader? All right, some of you guys did. So I did a little summary of Martin Luther King. I said Dr. Martin Luther King is a famous American hero. He worked with people to have peaceful protest and wanted all people to be treated fairly. He showed the characteristics of determination and stood up for what he believed in. So that was a little summary that I wrote because we read about Martin Luther King in one of our differentiated readers. For now, we are going to be using Photos for Class or Pics for Learning to find our photos when we get started. So we'll be going to those two sites. I have them linked on Edmodo, so you'll be able to get to them very easily. All right? You will log into ThingLink, and once again, it's linked onto Edmodo, so you'll just click right on our Edmodo post for today. First place you're going to go to is Create, because we want to create a new ThingLink. So I'm going to go to Create. Then I'm going to go to my Photos for Class, and I'm going to type in what I want my background to look like. You know how I had that gray, looked like a stone, and it had a quote about heroes? Think about something that you think about when you think of heroes. Today I'm going to do flags. Oh, you're doing the, there you go, okay. That's all right.